Hello everybody, so this video was supposed to be a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be, but I realized that Google Meets, if you don't have a business account with them, you can't record. So this video happens to be now about how to record your Google Meets meeting without needing a business account, because I know there's a lot of people just like myself that was trying to record a meeting and couldn't because we don't have a business account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily record your Google Meets meeting, and then as well as be able to edit it down. So if you have to send a summary to some of your coworkers or whatnot, I'm going to show you how to do that all in this video. So let's just jump into it. So first things first, as you can see, this nice program called OBS, which you can download right here on the internet. You can just go, I'll go into Google and I'll show you how easy it is. You can go to Google, OBS. It's called Open Broadcaster Software. It's this, download whether or not you have Windows, Mac, or Linux. Probably one of these two. Here is OBS. What you're gonna wanna do for this situation, you're gonna have to create a scene, which you just right click and add, create a scene, and then the sources, you're gonna want both a display capture as well as an input and output for your audio. So to do that, as you can see, my mic right here is gathering all of my audio, as well as the desktop audio here. I'll go to a video, I'll play this video that I was watching.
Video. But hold on. What if there was a way?
And as you can see right there, it was playing a little bit of audio. You can even see the remnants of it. So in order to add these as your sources, you're gonna right click, you're gonna go to add, and you'll add your audio input capture, audio output capture, as well as display capture. All of these are the exact same. So I'll show you how to do one of them. You're gonna go to audio output capture. You'll name it whatever you want. So I'll just name it like default audio capture. And then you're gonna choose your device. Mine is my Focusrite, which is the interface that I have my microphone set up to, as well as all of the audio coming out of. You'll select that. You'll also probably just be computer or whatever the default is fine. Click OK, and then it'll show up here. So default audio capture, it's mono. So you can do all the properties, and you can also change it here as well, and rechange everything. It's the same thing for the microphone as well. I would set it all to default, and then the same also for your display capture. Set it to your screen, and then you're good to go. So now that you have OBS set up and you have that ready to go into settings, and you're gonna wanna make sure that your output is set to high quality medium file size, and then your recording format to MP4. This file format, it allows you to send it anywhere. If you do anything higher than this high quality medium file size, it will, it'll record to an AVI file, which is not as able to be distributed as easily or edited as easily. It's a thicker file size. It's more of a pain in the butt to work with. So MP4 is always a nice way to go. If you have a Mac and you're using this, I think you can also, I can't click on it now because I'm currently using this to record, but you can click on that and change it to an MOV file as well, which also works just as well as MP4. Once you get that all situated, let's go to the Google Meets. I'm gonna start a new meeting and then I'll meet you on the inside. All right, so here in the Google Meets meeting, hello, this is, it's me. So what you're gonna wanna do is go back over to OBS. You're gonna start recording, and then you're going to just jump back in and set everything to full screen, and you should be good to go. Everything should be recording, everything should be outputting into OBS to record, and then as long as you set your file, hold on, let me do this, let me show you. As long as you set your file right here. So recording path, this right here, if you do browse, you can set where it records to and where the final file will be found at. So for me, it's found in the folder called screen recordings within the folder of Type Studio. So go through your meeting, go back to full screen. It'll be your face with everybody else's face, and this will capture your voice as well as their voice because it's inputting and outputting the same, like taking in the input and output audio, which is your voice as well as your colleagues' voices or your friends, whatever you're recording it for. And whenever you're done with your meeting and you finish up, you're gonna go here back to OBS and you're gonna click stop recording. I'm gonna do that real quick so that I have this recording, and then I'll show you and we'll take it over to the video editor. All right, so once you locate your recording, which mine is right here, we're gonna go back into the web and we're gonna go to Type Studio. It's gonna be your first option, click Type Studio, gonna go up, it's sign up for a free account. This is our video editor. This video editor is very easy to use for anybody that's new to video editing, what it does is it takes your video and it transcribes the dialogue, so you edit it like you would edit a Word document. This one is very light as well as very intuitive and easy to use, so that's why I suggest it for anybody that's just trying to do something really short and sweet, to the point, you know? So sign up for a free account and it'll bring you to the dashboard here on which you can uploading the project. As you can see, I use this quite a bit. We're gonna go to start a new project. We're gonna go grab that file and then we're going to drag it in here and let it upload into the program. And after doing that, we'll be able to edit it down and I'll show you how to do that once it's done uploading. All right, now that we're in the video editor itself, as you can see, the whole video was recorded. Let's jump to here. Even the OBS part, everything was recorded. There it is. Cool. So this is what it'll look like. I'm gonna hit play real quick and it'll show you exactly how the video will be shown within the editor. Let me put on the cans. I'm putting the same, like taking in the input and output audio, which is your voice as well as your colleagues' voices. Cool. Okay. So also that you probably can see on the screen right now as well is it jumps through and you can see all of the dialogue that was transcribed from your meeting. So you can easily go through, cut out any long pauses, which all of these dots indicate pauses. So I can just delete that and it'll do this. So go through your meeting, really quick jump cuts, really quick edits, so that you can shorten this down quite a bit, especially if you got a time crunch that you need to submit to your colleagues and whatnot. So all of this can be done within Type Studio, very quick and easy, especially because you can just read along and find the parts where the meeting started. So right here, so go through your meeting, go back, full screen, and then say all of this, like obviously, had nothing to do with the meeting itself. So just get rid of it. It'll be your face with everybody else's face, and this will capture. And whenever you're done with your meeting, you finish up. Like obviously, I read that, and I can see that that's when the end is. And there we go. I'm recording it for. There we go. Very easy editing software. Very easy editing situation that you can use to edit down your Google Meets meet. And then now you have the recording as well as an edited version of it. And in order to, let's just finish it up real quick, go up to the top right, you're gonna click export, and then you're going to download the video. And then you can download the video right here after it's done exporting on the download page, on the sharing page that they have here. So to show me doing exactly that and show me downloading that, right here is the download button, click that. You can download it and it'll download it right onto your computer right down here. And then you can also, if like for any reason you want to, I feel the need to just say this just in case if there's that one person that needs this help. If you go to copy link and you copy this link right here, you can literally just send this video to them so you don't have to actually download it. So if you have to send this video to colleagues, you can copy this link and it'll bring them back to this page as long as this is switched to public. There you go. It's a public page. People can come back to it. You can also, if you want to, you have your colleagues and yourself have a website that you post all of your meetings to, you can copy the snippet and it like embed it into the website itself too. But that's about it. Now you have a Google Meets meeting that you recorded and edited down, and you didn't even need a business account. Gotta love all these open source workarounds. Thank you, OBS, and thank you, Type Studio. If you enjoyed the video, we would greatly appreciate it if you'd hit that like button. Again, this video was supposed to be a lot easier than it was, but then an actual problem came up. You know, it's crazy, right? An actual problem came up that I was like, I can fix that. So we're gonna fix it, and we did. And I showed you how to use OBS and Type Studio to record and edit your video. So again, thank you for watching. We really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button as well as check out our social medias. They're floating underneath my head as we speak. We actually just launched a template version of Type Studio where you can create templates for your video. I'll put like a card up here that will be like it'll show you how to customize your videos. So like say you want to take these meeting videos and make them a little spicier or whatnot. But now you can save those templates, those spicy looking things, you know? You can create a template, save it, and then every time you create a video and every time you want to export a video, you can just put the template on the video and it's good to go. I already done and edited it down. So anyways, once again, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.